Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make cornbread from scratch with cornmeal. First, gather your dry ingredients. Combine 1 cup of cornmeal, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, and 1/4 cup of sugar in a large mixing bowl. Next, add 1 tablespoon of baking powder and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Whisk these dry ingredients together well until they are fully combined and uniform. This ensures a perfect texture for your cornbread. Now, let's prepare the wet ingredients. In a separate bowl, whisk together 1 cup of milk, 2 large eggs, and 1/4 cup of melted butter. Once combined, gently pour this wet mixture into your dry ingredients. Stir everything together until just combined. Remember, it's important not to overmix the batter. A few small lumps are actually fine and will result in a tender cornbread. Before baking, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. While the oven heats, grease an 8x8-inch baking pan or a 9-inch cast iron skillet thoroughly. This prevents sticking and helps achieve a golden crust. Carefully pour your cornbread batter into the prepared pan. Bake for approximately 20 to 25 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Once baked, let your delicious cornbread cool in the pan for about 10 minutes. This helps it set and makes slicing much easier. Then, cut into squares and serve warm. It's perfect with a pat of butter, a drizzle of honey, or alongside a hearty bowl of chili. For more great kitchen tips and to find the leak-proof containers mentioned, check out the description below for links and other fantastic deals. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.